Your brain lies to you every second. How? Really? How my brain lies to me even without knowing me? How the mind automatically creates thoughts, reactions, and the illusion of control. Right now, something is happening in your mind. A thought appears, another follows, then another. You did not invite them. You did not plan them. And yet they arrive continuously, shaping how you feel, what you believe, and how you react. Most people assume they are the author of their thoughts. But what if that assumption is wrong? What if the mind is operating on a kind of autopilot, producing thoughts and reactions faster than we can observe them? In Buddhist philosophy, this hidden mechanism is described within the study of the mind, often referred to as mental phenomena or mana dhamma. It points to something many people never notice. The mind is constantly processing signals and generating interpretations before we are even aware of them. The thought that appears out of nowhere. Consider something simple. A thought suddenly appears in your mind. Where did it come from? If you observe carefully, you might notice something surprising. The thought simply arrives. It was not consciously created. It was already there before you had time to decide anything. Yet immediately after the thought appears, the mind claims ownership. I thought that, but this claim happens after the fact. The process is so fast that it feels like we are consciously generating every thought. In reality, most of the process happens beneath awareness. This speed hides the mechanism. The mind moves faster than attention. The human mind processes information incredibly quickly. Signals from the senses are received, interpreted, and turned into meaning in fractions of a second. Because this process happens so quickly, we usually see only the final result. The story the mind has already constructed. A thought appears, an emotion follows, a reaction happens, and we assume a self was controlling everything. But often the mind was already moving before we even noticed. We will see it from a simple example. Seeing a flower, but we will explain very well from this by next video. So take a subscribe and like the video and share it with your friends too.